Hey guys, welcome back to From the Road with Robert with another video. Today I got a bit of an exciting one. I got a package in the mail and yeah, take a quick look. Starlink. So this is the Starlink for RV service, which is similar to the residential, but they say that the prioritization is lower on this. So anyway, we paid the money, we waited, and we got the package. The good news about this is there's no waiting to get it, so like you would on the residential. But it does have some caveats. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna see what we got, we're gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna get it set up. We're gonna run a couple of tests and see how it performs out here in the middle of the desert in Quartzsite, Arizona. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, welcome back. As I said, I'm going to be looking at Starlink today. Not sure how the audio is going to be with the wind, and trying to get my hand in the way of this thing either. Okie doke. Yeah. Scissors right here. Holding the camera with my right hand. Trying to use scissors with my left. What could go wrong? Okay. Time like these when I wish I had a camera guy. Trying to think if there's somewhere I could put this. Actually, you know what I got? I got myself a little tripod. Let me get that out. Okay. That's the best I could probably do for now. Not sure how the audio is going to be, so I'll talk a little bit louder. Looks like the feet this thing sits on. Okie dokie. All plastic. Truck just started behind me. Okay. I'm gonna put this thing down again. Cable to sink a battleship with. If that makes any sense. Okay. Sits on there just like that. Said what, 75 feet of cable? Okay, so we got power cord, manual or something. The how to set it up instructions. And the modem, the terminal. Regular power in it. Looks like some hybrid USB connection. I mean, this thing is power over Ethernet, as they call it. Yeah, 48 volt output, 2 amps. No Ethernet on this thing. They say you need to order a separate thing. So this is gonna go inside, and then I haven't decided where I'm gonna place the dish yet, but I know I'm gonna bring this cable through what used to be the old battery box. I'm not using it anymore. I got a second battery and moved them inside. Muddy in here, but we can just go through one of those holes right there. Fish the cable through this little hole at the top, and then definitely gonna have to put something on those legs to hold that down, I think. To go ahead and put it probably right here, and I think it wants to go this direction is the idea. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this set up, and then I'll come back when I go to plug it in and we'll see what this thing does. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I got it all set up. I temporarily run the cable through the window, and my theory behind this is I wanted to figure out a quick disconnect, so when I drive away, but I don't see a way to do that right now, so I just put all the extra cable inside here, and then I just decided to put it over here. At least I think this is north. I guess I should check the app obstructions. So yeah, and then I just put the modem or the gateway on the inside. And I just got that sitting right here. The cable comes through, plugs in the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on once I check for obstructions and see what it says, and then we'll go from there. Hey kitty. She's been like that on the bed all day. Say hi. Hi. I'm so sorry. Did I wake you? Anyway, let me open the app. Get rid of this box too if this thing is functioning. I'll wait till I turn it on first. We'll go from there. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Well guys, it's up and running. It's kind of uneventful. Go outside and look where the dish line is. I would have loved to video the thing like tilting and stuff. In fact, I may unplug it and plug it back in so you can see it move. That's where it is right now. I guess it landed that way. I guess that's north. I did a speed test. I'll go ahead and insert that. Not bad for like the first attempt, and a deprioritized service for RVs, so we'll see if that continues to be as good as it is. I could do with a little bit more upload, but it's not bad. Anyway, let me go ahead and I guess you can stow this, and then we'll let it do its thing and see what happens. Okay. I guess it doesn't really have to move that much. Oh well. Anyway, this is the first of a couple of videos. I'll definitely make some more with tests, but I just wanted to get you know, the unboxing and the initial setup, and it wasn't that difficult at all, and it's not doing too bad. That upload could be a little better, but for deprioritized service, and I hear it takes up to 24 hours to provision, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends if you want to see more content. You know, hit that bell icon to be notified when I next post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.